Conjugation of the verb to walk in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I walk. 2. Simple past, I walked. 3. Simple future, I will walk. 4. Present continuous, I am walking. 5. Past continuous, I was walking. 6. Future continuous, I will be walking. 7. Present perfect, I have walked. 8. Past perfect, I had walked. 9. Future perfect, I will have walked. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been walking. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been walking. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been walking. Conjugation of the verb to walk. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it walks. 2. Simple past. He, she or it walked. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will walk. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is walking. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was walking. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be walking. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has walked. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had walked. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have walked. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been walking. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been walking. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been walking. Conjugation of the verb to walk. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they walk. 2. Simple past. You, we or they walked. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will walk. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are walking. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were walking. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be walking. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have walked. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had walked. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have walked. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been walking. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been walking. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been walking. Verb to walk forms. Present simple I, you, we, they walk. He, she, It walks. Slash past simple walked. Past participle walked. Ing form walking.